So this is the first batch, is the pilot phase, and we are expectant to see things blow into a very big operation, 10,000 capacity, 20,000 capacity, where we have the processing part of the farm and all of that. So we are just expectant, and we are doing our best today to secure that tomorrow. In the world of agriculture, dreams take root in the soil. They grow slowly, and sometimes they require an extraordinary amount of patience and perseverance. A year ago, we stood here on the brink of something new. The stage was set, but the journey had just begun. So from what felt like it was taking forever to start, it feels good to finally have the pilot phase of the project start. From last year, this time last year to this time, it's a whole lot happening in the poultry sector, but then it's good, and this is one of the indications that some things may never get better, but we just need to keep moving. The road we embarked on was not without challenges, but the spirit of innovation and the love for farming fueled our determination. As the first batch of broilers arrived, we faced the unknown. The cold realities of the poultry industry tested our mettle. There were long days and sleepless nights. There were moments when success seemed elusive. But in the midst of challenges, we found strength, resilience, and the unshakable belief that every dream is worth living. So very soon we'll be taking their weight at week 1, and I'm pretty sure they will hit the goal. The goal is to attain at least ×4 of their initial weight, and the initial weight on paper is around 42 grams. As the seasons changed, so did our farm, from barren land to a thriving poultry haven. Our broilers grew, our farm flourished, and our dreams took flight. What we learned is that farming is more than a job. It's a way of life. It's about working together, nurturing the land, and caring for the animals. We embraced technology, from automatic water lines to efficient feeding systems. We harnessed the best of old world wisdom and new age advancements. And now, as we look back, we see the fruits of our labor. We see a journey marked by determination, hope, and a shared passion for agriculture. Our young broilers are thriving. It's a testament to the power of hard work and unwavering dedication. So to anyone out there who has a dream, whether it's in farming or any other pursuit, remember that dreams are worth living. With persistence and the belief that every challenge is a stepping stone, you can turn your dreams into reality. We invite you to join us in celebrating the beauty of agriculture, the spirit of perseverance, and the extraordinary journey of turning dreams into a thriving reality. From our farm to yours, thank you for being a part of our journey.
Yeah, I will miss those your soup. Don't worry, I will see you again. Goodbye, Habaq Farms. Goodbye, Favor. One by one.